Viewers, hi! Every videographer and movie maker can tell you this. One of the easiest way to make your video footage look amazing is to use a gimbal like this. But I know what a lot of people are thinking. Oh, a gimbal just stabilizes a video shot. Far from that. A gimbal always gives you this very fascinating and beautiful swoosh that no other stabilization rig can give you. Not only that, if you know how to use your gimbal correctly, there are tons of trick shots that you can do with it. And if you're looking to upgrade your existing gimbal, or you're looking to go into videography and acquiring your first gimbal, I've got good news for you. I am inviting you to Zhiyun Cinepeer's workshop on the 21st of November from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And here's the extra special news. I will be leading this workshop, and anybody that has attended my workshop before can tell you this. Not only you get to try out all the products and understand their features, you get to learn how the pros do it. Because after all, I love teaching. I'm an educator. And I'm also bringing along my director of photography, and you learn how he uses the gimbal for his work every day. So don't forget, 21st of November, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Quickly scan this QR code or follow this link, and I look forward to see you this event.